Do you love to golf but find that it's difficult to always get out onto the course? Well, now thanks to Dreamgardens, you can have putting greens in your own backyard. So I'm here on site with Sergio, where we're watching a putting green get installed today, which is so exciting. This is really a creative niche for Dreamgardens. How did you get so into putting greens?
Well, I have a passion for golf for over 30 years. I started playing when I was very young, and then I played for a long number of years. And from there, I mean, when we got into the turf business 15 years ago, and we find out that it was turf for putting greens, and I say, wow, this is going to be one of the things that we're going to specialize for sure.
Yeah, so artificial turf putting greens are wildly popular these days, and there's really endless possibilities, but it takes a lot of expertise to get it right, which is why we rely on Dreamgardens' background, because it's more than just laying some turf down and putting a hole in the end.
It is. It is not a simple turf installation as some others might be. This is more complex. There are other aspects involved. The design is very important, the number of holes, the shape and the slopes for the golfer to have that challenge course that they want, where they can practice their shots. So there's a lot more into it than just laying turf.
Yeah, but it's also the type of turf product that you choose can affect the golf game as well, right?
Definitely. There's a wide range of products that we can use, anywhere from the very affordable to the really professional putting green surface that you can get those speeds that you can find at Augusta National or one of those top courses. So we can provide that type of putting green depending on what the customer is looking for. You want something that is just recreational for the kids, we can do that. If they're really scratch golfers and they want to play their best and get really good at the game, then we have that surface for them as well.
And no matter which type of installation it is, it must be so fun for you to be able to combine both of your passions.
It is. It's so fun. I mean, we get involved in the process from 0 to 100 and just designing that putting green, interacting with the customer to be sure that we're doing what he's expecting us to do.
And on average, how long would you say it takes to get a putting green designed and installed?
Well, it usually takes a couple of meetings with the customer to get that understanding of what he wants to do. And then installation-wise, it takes about 3 days. So this project that you're seeing here, we started this on Friday. So that's a couple of days ago. Today, it's prior to the completion. So tomorrow afternoon, we'll be ready to go. The customer can be enjoying and putting some putts in there.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It's an easy transformation to make to add a putting green to your backyard. Get started with Dreamgardens today. You can find more information on ApprovedHomePros.com.
Do you enjoy that video? Please take a moment to subscribe. When you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips. It's all great information that covers everything you need to know for your home. So hit that subscribe button below and check out more videos.